What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm talking about the Glock 43X or the G43X. Whenever I first got into parking lot striping, I was about $500 short of the needed amount in order to get the loan. Since I was $500 short, really one of the few things that I had was my Glock, my 40. Well, since I needed the money, I sold that Glock for $500. That gave me enough money in order to put the down payment on my machine. Well, I have other pistols, but I didn't have one that was short and compact. Well, I came across somebody that was selling a lot of ammo. It was an entire ammo container. It was like 500 rounds of 9mm, a bunch of 5.56, 12 gauge, 40s, lots of magazines. They texted me and they asked me if somebody would be interested in buying it, and it was only for like $100. I was like, I'd be interested in buying it. So I met up with them. I got the ammo, which was a really nice score. I'm always down to get some ammo and some guns. Well, since I sold my Glock to get my parking lot striping machine, I didn't have an everyday carry. Well, it's been a while since I've purchased a gun, and since I bought that ammo, I was thinking to myself, I'd like to buy a gun. So I went and got a gun. It is a Glock G43X 9mm, really lightweight, very, very compact. Haven't fired it yet. I just picked it up from the gun shop today. It took a couple of days to have my background check come in, but I just got it today. It is a very compact firearm. Of course, you've seen me clear it, so there's nothing in the chamber. But very lightweight, very nice model. Not heavy at all. You know how some of the guns are top heavy and bottom heavy? But that's what I like about Glock, is they're not top heavy and bottom heavy. But I knew that I needed an everyday carry, so I wanted to get the 43X. Got it brand new for right at $500. What I like about it is that it is so compact. Here's the holster that I got. A friend of mine, Matt, has a leather holster, but I like this holster because it slides right in it. It's a different sort of material. This is kind of uncomfortable whenever you tuck that piece away, but I really like it. Single stack magazine. You are only allowed to keep 10 in the magazine, 1 in the chamber. So you're kind of limited as far as your firing capacity. But this is a nice gun. It's been a couple years since I've purchased one. I think it's been 2 years since I've got one. But I needed another one because a lot of times we stripe at night and you never know what could happen at night. But not heavy at all. Fits right into this holster. Very small. You can tuck that away right in your belt loop. And it's not bulky. Of course, I wear big shirts anyways, so when I tuck these away, you can't see it. But I really like it. I'm going to put some rounds through it. I'm going to put a lot of rounds through this gun. But this is my new everyday carry. So I know it's a different kind of video, but I was really excited to get this. And if you know me personally, you know why I was really excited to get this. But anyways, attach it to your belt loop, throw your shirt over it. No big deal. Of course, carry responsibly. Be responsible. Don't be irresponsible. But very nice gun. Not just a truck gun, but an everyday carry gun. Going into parties, going into going to dinner events, weddings, church services, striping at night, whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna like this. Anyways, guys, let me know down in the comment section, what is your everyday carry? Is it the Glock 43X? Is it another type of gun? Let me know down in the comment section. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell icon. That way you can be notified anytime we release some new content, and we will see you in the next video.